You don't have ISAs set up for your children. Junior ISAs, you've not set it up because you don't know where to start. You don't even know if they exist. Major problem, pain point. And if you do set one up online, how do you know to put how much money into it and where to put that money, what to invest in? Stocks, well, that could be risky. Funds, which ones? How do you decide? And if you do open one of those, you get so much information bombarded at you, you don't even know where to begin. If you want to have a look at a bunch of free resources I've put together as a hedge fund manager, as an author of 18 books, as a Financial Times columnist, as a Bloomberg TV presenter, if you want to see some free resources I've put together to help you, have a look at campaignforamillion.com, campaignforamillion.com, and that will help you along that journey, or just reach out to me and my team on alpeshpatel.com/links. Okay, and we'll direct you towards the free resources. We'll give you a free copy of one of my most recent investment books, published by Palgrave Macmillan and reviewed positively, I should say, by Bloomberg and the Financial Times. Right, so get in touch. Thank you.